If you've made it this far, we're almost done with statistics for the semester. We have one last content module ahead of us. And so I want to give you a quick intro to what that content module is about. In module 15, we're going to learn inferential statistics to let us compare two variables. And I don't really want to say compare, but to look and explore and see if there's a relationship between those two variables. That word relationship will differ depending on our context, but overarching, that's what we're trying to do. So in module 10 and 11, we saw how to look at a single group and talk about a proportion. In module 12, we saw a single group and how to talk about the average, right, from that numeric variable. And in module 14, we compared two groups either about a categorical or a numeric variable. But those settings are kind of limited, right? We needed a single group or two groups, and we needed categorical variables that were binary, yes or no, so that we could count up our number of successes, get a proportion, and apply the binomial under that sampling distribution for a proportion. In module 15, we expand our horizons. We get chi-square tests, which allow us to look at single or multiple group comparisons for categorical variables with more than two levels. So we are not left with a yes or no. We're only looking at that. We can compare more than two categories for our categorical variable. We're also going to get ANOVA. So if we wanted to look at a numeric variable over more than two groups, we have an option. And we get to revisit our section, our module 4 material with correlation and regression. Looking at a numeric variable and another numeric variable, when we did all that work back in module 4, there were p-values associated with it. We just didn't talk about it yet because it was too early for us. We didn't know that yet. So we'll get how to deal with that. My ramen is ready, so I'm going to deal with that in this module. Enjoy, y'all.